We out here looking for the truth. The most beautiful building in my city. We had to come here to start this experiment. They don't build it like this anymore. Very beautiful old building. But we had to get the God on our side for this experiment and see it for ourselves. Raw chicken. Is it really that bad? Do I get the salmon Nutella? What's gonna happen? Smells like your mama. And I wanna see what happens. Do it for many days straight, maybe month, couple months, year, who knows? Or maybe I rip in pieces pretty soon. Let's see. Fingers crossed there's gonna be day 2. But I have eaten raw chicken before. Nothing really happened, but it is such a controversial topic out there. So I think it's gonna be a pretty interesting one. I really want to see people's reaction to it. So, God bless. Thank you, chicken. Thank you for your life. And don't kill me. Let's see what happens. Tastes really good. Taste-wise and texture-wise, I like raw chicken more than cooked chicken. But maybe the salmon Nutella and parasites, maybe they will get me. Look at the church though. Why don't they build it like this anymore? I'm gonna show it the place a little bit more after I eat it. But especially the texture of raw chicken, much better than cooked. This is chicken thigh, I think. Let's go. What a beautiful place. Big ass church. Trust the science. Well, I don't trust anything you say anymore. So we're out here doing our own experiments. If you die, you die. That's how we do it. Some people coming, dogs. They might go crazy on raw chicken. Day 1. Am I scared? No. Why I'm doing it? I want to see what happens, how people react. What's the worst thing that can happen? I can die, get a parasite, salmon Nutella, or whatever. Battery just died, still alive. 10 seconds into day 1. Here's the building. May the God bless us on this experiment. What an adventure this gonna be. And what a fuck. They don't build it like this anymore. Let's see the other side. They don't build it like this anymore. What happened? So many details. So cool. Amazing. At least it's the cool place to die. Wow. Which one is cooler, this church or the raw chicken? Tough competition. Have a great day. Fingers crossed. We have a day 2 tomorrow. Feeling pretty optimistic about it right now. See ya.